Say hi. Come on, I have you guys on camera. Say hi.
Peace.
Oh, that's what it is. I have my grandkids. Oh, my battery's gone. I have my grandkids. I have decided to start vlogging. And yeah, today is Saturday. Today is Saturday, and it is, I think it's the 24th of January. And this is how I roll on a Saturday in my house. So I said if I'm going to do a vlog, I'm just going to keep it 100 with you guys. I sent for the grandkids. I miss them so much. Can y'all believe that's my mother? That's their great-grandmother playing with them. This is a house that is always extremely in order and quiet. Grandkids make it so awesome. The disruption is very much welcome. Especially when you ask for them. You know what I'm saying? I asked, hold on. Y'all remember Grand got to get some rest now. Y'all want to see what they're doing? I'm going to take y'all. What are y'all doing? Okay, that's enough. Hey. Hello? That's enough, okay? This is enough now. That's enough. Okay. It's enough. Now you can go back to watching. Why are you so hype? Hold on, hello? I said that's enough. Don't bother Grand. No, come here, Brenton. Grand's tired. She needs to rest. Even Vay's worn out. Look, she laid out.
I passed out.
Now, come here, Brenton. Brenton, come here. I said that's enough. That's enough.
You passed out, yeah. Good job.
This is right. The grand's bed is getting violated. Not just grandma. Great-grandma's bed just got violated. How you doing, baby? They are chilling. They've got their Capri Sun and they've got their chips. Always have to have Capri. There's the grandkids, guys. They've got their Capri Sun and their chips. Always gotta have the chips on deck. Always gotta have the Capri Sun on deck. Because I know what they like. And of course Netflix is on deck. So I'm about to have me some Saturday soup. Well guys, here's the chicken soup. And yeah. So let's zoom in on this and see what this is. There you have your dumpling. That long object, that's called dumpling. Let me tell you, in my Jamaican lingo, or some wicked Caribbean soup, it's having corn. Everybody in the world know what corn look like, so I don't have to just pick out the corn, but I can show you. So this are the dumpling here, so this is carrot. Everybody know carrot. And we use the chicken wing for make the chicken soup because it cook good soup. And and this a sweet potato. It is called white sweet potato, and that me love, so that we get. And then all of this nice scrumptious broth I'm about to throw down. So can I talk to y'all in a minute? Because my soup is calling my name. Can you hear it? Listen. Oh my, that's my soup calling me. Oh, I'm coming. Oh my gosh. I tasted the soup. I'm not kidding, guys. I turned the camera back on because I had to come back and say, this soup is so good. I wish you guys knew. I gotta have all of you come over and have some of that soup. It's so good. Yes. This soup is giving me life. Soup is giving me life.
Yeah, the soup is very good.
Yeah.
You can't even taste it in your mouth. Your mouth is gonna explode.
Oh, happy Sunday, everybody. Today is Sunday, January 5th. And I got my Pookie say happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday.
guys. Brenton, what are you watching on Netflix? Brenton, what you watching? What's it called?
A Power Ranger.
Power Rangers?
Yeah.
Okay, and Veve, what are you watching on Netflix? What is it called?
I'm trying to
Oh, you're looking for something now?
Power Rangers.
Oh, you're both gonna watch Power Rangers.
Yeah, what?
Oh, okay, so just like different shows but the same thing.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright guys, peace. See a messy bed. Ain't no shame in my game, honey. It's Sunday. I'm about to get up in that. This bed has been slept in by grandchildren, okay? Okay? And, oh, yeah. This is the life of my life. Look. Ain't nobody got time for that. Okay. Oh, Lord. It's the dance party.
Come on.
It's a dance party.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, that's enough. Thank you. The party's over. I'll see it. I had a beautiful, beautiful weekend with my grandchildren. Just having them around just gives me all kinds of life. And those of you that have grandchildren will completely understand what I mean. So I'm about to go off to bed now. We are having a blizzard warning for New York. They're talking about 20 to 30 inches of snow. Yes, y'all heard me correctly. 20 to 30 inches of snow. So this should be rather interesting. Of course, I'm going to block some of it. But I'm going to sleep, guys. Now, many of you know that I have a lot of health challenges and so forth, but I have never really showed you guys what my night looks like as far as going to sleep. So I'm going to show you now. Okay? Okay. Okay, guys. So this is my sleep machine, and I'm going to show you guys, for those of you that know how sexy I am and how sexy I roll. Let me show you how sexy I look at night when I go to sleep. Good morning, beautiful people. Okay, so last night, let's put it down. Last night, I showed you guys my sleeping mask. It's called, I have sleep apnea. What is it? Chronic sleep obstructive. I have obstructive sleep apnea. So that's why I needed that mask last night. And if I don't use the mask, I stop breathing in my sleep. And it could be detrimental, especially with having heart disease and lung disease. So, now, these videos are not being made for anyone to be like, oh, poor Jackie. I'll be honest with you guys while I'm doing these videos. I'm doing these videos for my children and my grandchildren, and for anyone out there who also is suffering with any type of illness or has family members who may be ill and you don't understand it. And I don't know how it can help, but I just feel like doing it. My grandkids can have it for years to come. So that's why I'm doing it. And this is just a small part. I'm not going to be all turning my channel into an illness channel, but at least you guys will have an understanding of what it's like. I'm going to take my morning medication, and then I'm going to make my way over to the window because, yes, the snow started coming, but it's not the whopping 20 to 30 inches yet. It's just starting. Okay. So when you have a life supporting device in your home, a machine that is life supportive, the light company calls me and lets me know whenever there's going to be a storm. This is really good though, because sometimes I really don't know when there's going to be a storm. So this is what I hear typically.
A medical emergency in your premises.
How does it go? Let's see if I can start over.
Area. There is a possibility that your electric service may be interrupted. For this reason, you should consider making plans to go to a hospital, calling 911, or making other arrangements to ensure your health if service is interrupted. If we can be of assistance or if you have any questions, please call us at...
Oh, let's go to the window. Let's go to the window. Let's go to the window. Oh, okay. It ain't that. It's not that bad out there. And the snow is hardly falling.
Your mercy flows like a river wide, and healing comes from your hand.
I doubt if you guys can see because I'm in my living room and it is dark. But I am coming to see. Oh man. I don't know if you guys can see this, but we are pummeled out there with snow. Oh boy. That's some serious snow. Oh yeah, and somebody's actually trying to start their car. And we've actually been banned from driving. Oh, sorry about that, guys. We've been banned from driving or being even on the road. That's why the road looks so empty. The mayor and the governor of New York have said that from 11 p.m., which it is, yeah, I guess it's probably around minutes to 1 in the morning, that there's a ban on being out on the street unless it's absolutely necessary. Yeah, so.